Hey guys, on this particular question, we've got an electron with a particular speed, 660,000 meters per second. That's actually sounds crazy that's got that going to be, but it's an electron. Did it move to a higher or a lower potential energy? So let's think about that. We've got a negative charge. Electrons have a negative charge, and it's being brought to rest. So if you're moving it in this direction, and if it's being brought to rest, what charge does it have to bring it to rest? It's stopping. If you think about it, this has to be a negative charge, right? So as it's moving in this direction, what's going to oppose its motion is more a negative charge. Now, if you recall, if we've got charges, the positive charge always flows from this is a high potential, and the positive is, and this is a low potential. So he's moving from high to low because it's moving from the positive side, if you will, to the negative side. Okay. On this next question, so that's, if you will, question A. I didn't pagiate this very well. B, what is the potential difference that stopped the electrons? So let's think about that. The potential difference is voltage, right? And voltage is actually right here. This is the equation you're going to use, is work divided by distance, or charge, pardon me. But work is something that we've played around with. Work is energy. Joules or joules or joules. And we have a speed right here. So you can say 1/2 mv squared, because we know, it doesn't say, by the way, you'll have to look up the mass of an electron. So the mass of an electron is, I'll just give it to you here. It's 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31st kilograms. You know the velocity, and you'll divide by the charge, and they gave you the charge. Now it's one electron. So the charge on one electron is this number right here. So that number goes on here, and that will give you your voltage. Part 3, we have not used this term called an electron volt. But 1 electron volt is the voltage of 1 electron. So it turns out if you do it per 1 electron, you get the same number. So when I say not this number, but when you plug this in, the voltage, because we're doing it per 1 electron, then that will give you, basically, we say the EV, the electron volt. So whatever you get for the voltage is actually the electron volts as well.